it does record this way. That's crazy. April 20th. Happy 420. It is getting so dark out here. Let me see if I can flip this around now. We gotta flip this around. No. There is no flipping it around now. So there. Oh wait, I should get my hat on. Hang on. We don't fight, we all play nice, living in Amish. Got my Amish hat on here. The Amish got it going on right now. I don't know what what is the COVID for the Amish? I'm kind of worried, not worried. Well, yeah, I am. I'm concerned. I wonder what is going on with that. I mean, they're kind of a close-knit community that is not as subject to outsider. Here, let me take this off. I'm in my yard. I don't have any COVID around here. There's no people around here. Look at this. There's nobody out here. There's my bamboo growing. Oh, I had a tomato. Well, yeah, here's a tomato. Here, check this tomato. See that tomato? But, yeah, I was just wondering what the COVID's doing in the really smaller communities, like the Amish. I grew up, I was born in upper Pennsylvania, lower New York, outer western New York area, so I'm Amish friendly, I guess you could say. So yeah, I'm not wearing Amish hat as like mocking them or anything. I appreciate the American industry, and well, when you buy something Amish, you know it's made in America. You know it's made in USA. So yeah, that's money well spent. But yeah, so yeah, happy April 20th, 420. Happy 420. And yeah, the bamboo's looking really good. Oh, let me pause this again for a second. I made a few videos of the I'm pushing more buttons here. I don't know what's going on. Did I stop anything? No, I think I'm doing okay. So yeah, planted a whole bunch of sunflowers, more sunflowers. I got like some sunflowers here, and a couple of them I'm starting to plant out, and a few of them started getting big, so I got like a pound of seeds. That's a lot of seeds. I got acreage worth of seeds. But yeah, let's get over here and look at this one. Whoa, there's a snake. That's cool. You're okay, buddy, don't worry. Oh, he's wiggling his tail. Oh, that's Peanut. Get out of here! Get Peanut! No, you leave the snake alone. He's stuck in the cage. You're not. No. I saw a couple. I was across the street watering some bamboo that I put in, and I saw a couple coach whips over there. And if you don't know what a coach whip is, and these were really small coach whips. They were only probably about 3 or 4 feet long. They get up to like 8, 9, 10 feet long, and they'll stand up like 3, 4, 5 foot tall. Some people say 6 foot tall, which I wouldn't be surprised if there was a really big one. Giants do exist out there in some forms, right, Peanut? Yeah, you're a giant. Look how much food you ate. She got new food the other day, and she like tanked up on it. I think she gained like 10 pounds. Yeah. The second day you didn't eat so much. You slowed down a little bit. But anyways, yeah, happy 420. Waiting for some rain. It's dark clouds. There's supposed to be a front coming in. This is facing northeast right here. And you can see a little bit of cloud action blowing across there. But no precipitation yet. And then these are my burn piles over here. If it does rain, those will stay dry, and then I come out after everything's wet. I light those on fire, and start throwing stuff in there and get rid of a lot of brush around here, because I want to plant one like right over there, just beyond all of that. So got to clear that out and get rid of all this viney root crap. Oh yeah, there's another fire pile right there. Oh, and another one right here. So yeah, basically I'm gonna have like 6 or 8 burn piles in here. So that's it. Happy 420, everyone. Cut. How do I shut this thing off? Where is it?